We've all done it before. Scrolling through our phone, favorite social media platform, and boom, an ad targeted directly at you. The exact thing you've wanted. Perfect, perfection, everything you've ever dreamed of. In this video, the ad got me. This came from Instagram. This was advertised as a electronics mystery box valued at $1,000. I don't even remember anymore. It was on sale from $200 to $89 for 3 boxes. In each box, it said it's guaranteed one of the following items: either a CyberPower PC that's liquid cooled, I don't think that's fitting in here, an Oculus Rift S, a Nitro 5 gaming laptop, I've never even heard of that before, an Animal Crossing New Horizons limited edition Switch. Let's hope we can get that one right. A 20-inch monitor or a console, none of which I think are going to fit in this little size. As I was recording this video, I've had this package for about 2 months at this point. The website no longer exists. In their frequently asked questions, they talk about the 1-year return policy if you don't like the item or it's broken. Needless to say, that warranty is gone because so is the company. Now, disclaimer, do not give shady websites your credit card information. What I did was use an app called Privacy, which generates card information per website, so you can actually shut the card down after you've used it for the first time. And this is what I did. So I gave them basically a prepaid credit card number and paid for it that way. So that way they didn't have information, my credit card information. I've been sitting on this for about 2 months waiting to do this video. Let's open her up and see what we got. Never opened, as you can see. I have no idea what I'm getting myself into. Now, this is supposed to be valued pretty high, but I'm not having high hopes with the website being 404 when you go to the website. First thing we have, some generic looking AirPods, no name, white case. They look like AirPods Pros, and I guess we can always test them and see if they even work. Let's hop into the AirPods and see if those merit any worth in this this venture. So inside that box we get our AirPods case, our generic AirPods case, our 2 earbuds, and they actually gave us an Apple Lightning cable. So, first impressions, the case feels really cheap, but the hinge actually feels really nice. It's got that nice snap close. The earbuds themselves feel cheap. Really cheap. Don't get any changes for the earbuds. They fit okay. But I only got 1 beep out of them. Now, I did order 3 boxes in hopes of getting that CyberPower PC, but clearly we didn't get them. We got a wireless hands-free car kit, Bluetooth car MP3 player. Oh, almost dropped it. Cool. So in the box we got the car charger, USB, what you never have it. Interested to see if it'll even work. And instructions. And our third and final box. Busted open Apple Watch knockoff. Smart bracelet. Your health steward. Oh my god. Let's check out our smart bracelet. No, that's already halfway opened. So we get the smartwatch, smart bracelet, and the 2 straps and instructions. Let's see, it says Bluetooth watch, accurate pedometer, deeply life waterproof, 1.3-inch smart Bluetooth watch. Does this only charge wirelessly? So our smart bracelet didn't come with a charger, doesn't seem to wirelessly charge, and won't turn on. So I got a knockoff Apple Watch, paperweight. So we got. Those were our 3 boxes. I spent about $89 US for maybe $20 worth of Wish products. Well, y'all, I hope you had a good time enjoying me burn money. This video was just created to unbox something because I saw an ad on the internet that I was just like, why not? Let's do it. But if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you would like to hang out with me live, I stream on Twitch every Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Link down in the description below. Did you like any of these products? Did you think this was stupid? I think this was stupid. What was I thinking? Why would I do this? But as always, guys, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.
Casario. Thanks for those 200 biddies. I'm dead. I'm not even scared anymore.